Hi everyone, today I'm going to be servicing a Kawasaki ZH2 2020 plate. This is the beast here. Pride and joy. First video, thought I'd give it a whirl. So, got myself K&N air filter and some Halford's 1040 oil. Did a bit of chat GTP, said that the oil's pretty good, so ideal. What I've done is taken off the side fairing, so I've got access to the oil filter and the oil plug here. I've started up the engine, made it a little bit warm so I can get out the oil. So let's give it a go. I'll put on my little stand here, and yeah, here we go, and make sure you're not in the way. Right, let's go from there. First off, I need to take out this one here. There we go. Always good to take that one off because it'll make the oil flow out so it doesn't act like a straw. Right, so I've got myself a little bucket, old car wash one. I'll start with taking off the sump plug. Let's go and get an Allen key for that bad boy. That's massive. Right, there we are. It's big enough. So what I can do, probably wise, put some sort of cloth down on the floor just in case. Put the old picnic blanket down, I'm sure the missus will mind that. Right, nice and easy. Move out of the way, crack the old bastard first. There we are. Fingered, there you go. Okay, how long does the screw want to be? There we go. Beautiful. Good job I put that fucking mat down, right? Tell you what, little catch tree here. Fair bit of oil. Good job I put that sheet down. Yes! Right. So you can pull that a little bit closer. Rag here. Right, get a spanner to take off the oil filter and some more come out. double checking. That looks a lot smaller than the air filter I've got, or the other way around. So we'll take it off and have a look, and if it is completely fucking wrong, see what happens. Ordering one of these high flow ones. $17 mil. Clothes, sweetheart. That. Oh yeah. Servicing my bike.
Are you taking it in for a service?
No, sweetheart.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but it sounds...
What do you want to do about it? For clothes. Do something about it if you want to stop it. Fucking women. What's in the washing machine? Fucking clothes. So, slight issue, or is it? Might be alright, you know. I think it is alright. Although they are completely different sizes, the actual rubber and the ring is the same. Crazy. Right. Just empty that into there. I mean, that's mental. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, let's see if this goes on alright. A little bit of oil around the ring there. And it goes on there. No, is it? I can't. Maybe the wrong way. Yeah, boy. You know. soon find out when I put the oil in, whether it comes pissing out or not. Not overly tight, just tight enough. Do you? Right, let's get rid of this fucking mess. I know I did say let's keep it there until I fill it up, just in case the oil filter leaks. I'll shove it out of the way a minute. Okay. Part one done. Oil in the bike, I suppose. So I do have a little filter thing here, or could just pour it straight in. Just go straight in, I think. Right, let's give it a go. Nothing on the glass yet. Doesn't seem to be leaking either. Judging how full the bucket was, must be about 4 litres in there. Nothing on the glass yet. happen. Right, it's on the max. Now, I did watch a video the other day where he put it to the max, he turned it on, and the oil dropped right down. So it's bound to happen to this one. So I'm going to put in a little bit more than max. Plus, the oil filter's not got any oil in it yet, has it? Right. Let's give that a go and start it out. Hopefully the oil filter's right. If it's not, I'm gonna have to fucking get a new one. Nice, that will go up. Thought as much. So the oil is just below the glass, so that you probably can't see it. Just on the bottom. So it is exactly the same. We'll leave it for a second now, just to filter down through. You just never know. Don't put too much oil in it, do I? Hello, motor. See it going up? Right. Currently at the max, jobs are good. Start the oil up again, shall we? Check the oil again. Leave it a minute. That's there straight away, look. So he's just in between. But it'll be trickling down off the valves, won't it? Yeah. Looking good, mate, isn't it? Just below the top. I'm happy with that, really. Sound. Right. Time to tidy up. Easy enough. Cheers, everyone.